What's up guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I am going to show you some of my favorite Xcode shortcuts and how to use them. So let's get started. So the first shortcut which I'm going to show you is if you press down Option, Command and the arrow left and right, you're able to close down functions like this in small blocks. This can come in really helpful when you have a method or a function with a lot of code in it and you are not using it as it is currently. Then it's really nice to be able to close it down like this. The other shortcut, another shortcut, which I also use a lot, is Command R. This one will compile and run your application and show it in the simulator like this. Also really helpful, so you don't have to go up here every single time and press play. So yeah. The next one is probably one shortcut which many of you guys know. If you press down Command Shift 7, which is a slash, you can out-comment code like this. You can do it for multiple lines and you can do it for a single line. This is really helpful when you're testing out a function and you want to try without this variable. You can comment it out just like that. Really nice. So then there is the shortcut for formatting code. This one is super helpful. Let's say that you've been coding for a while and your code looks like this, looks like crap. You press down Command A to select everything and then Control I to format your code so it looks nice. So the next one, which I also use a lot, another shortcut, is if you press down Command Shift O. This one you can jump around in the project really fast. If you want to go to your app delegate, you can just write app delegate, press enter, and it will take you straight to it. This way, if you have a huge project you've been working on for a long time, you can really fast work around in the project and jump around from the different classes. Really is helpful. So another one is if you're inside a class, you can press down Command 6. Oh, sorry, Control 6. This one will help you show you a little window here where you can see all the functions inside your class and also your properties or variables, whatever you want to call them. So this one can guide you through. If you have a huge class and you want to find some specific function, you can use Control 6 to find it like this. Really nice. And then we have the side window over here and all the topics up here. There is a shortcut to jump around in here, and you do that by pressing down Command and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. So this way you can navigate really fast on the left side in Xcode. So another shortcut which I also use a lot is how to search globally in the project, and we do that by pressing Command Shift F. Up here you get a nice little search window where you can press down or search for example, your view did load, for example, something like that, and it will show you in the whole project where you can find the view did load. So that's nice. Another shortcut, which is also nice to know, is how to rename a variable. If you want to rename this variable and it's used in a lot of places, you can press down Control Command E. This way it will rename it all over the place in the class, so you don't have to go all the way through the class and change the name of this variable. So this can also come in really handy. So then there is my absolute favorite shortcut which I use a lot, and if you press down Command 0, you can toggle the left side of Xcode like this, and if you press down Option Command 0, you can toggle the right side. So by being good at this, you can toggle between those really fast, and it comes in really helpful when you're a full-time developer, which I'm not, but yeah. So another shortcut which I also use is how to create new classes. You can do that by pressing down Command, Option, N, like this. Yeah, that's for creating new groups, sorry. And if you want to create new classes, it's just Command N. And here you can quickly create new classes, Swift files and stuff like that. And as I just showed you, Option Command N will create groups which you can place your classes and files in. This makes you able to create a nice file structure really easily and fast. And I use it quite a lot. So next up, I just want to show you guys something about some shortcuts in this simulator, which I also use in here. For example, if you want to scale the simulator, you can press down Command and 1 and 2. I can't currently do it right now because it's an 8+ in its minimal size. Normally you will have the pixel accurate here on 2, for example, and as you can see here, you can size down by pressing Command 1. Right now mine is currently as small as it can get, so yeah. But another shortcut which I use is how to turn around and rotate your simulator. You do that by pressing down Command and the arrow left and right. As you can see, I have no constraints on my application right now. Maybe I will do a video about that later in this on the channel, but let's see. But yeah, Command, arrow keys, really nice. So the last shortcut, which I also find helpful to just know something about, is how to toggle the keyboard on the simulator, and you do that by pressing Command K. This can come in really helpful because sometimes you have to, or actually most of the time, you have to program the keyboard yourself when it should pop up and go down and stuff like that when the user is using your application. So it's nice to know the command to just being able to do it on the simulator like that. So yeah, that's it, guys. This was just some of the shortcuts which I have in mind, and some of those shortcuts which I find really nice and helpful when I develop apps for in my spare time. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, then please leave a like below, and yeah, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this in the future. Peace out.